Hi there, CAD and all the rest of you good people out there. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that health is with you in these once again very difficult times. In regards to your question on the forum or follow-up question on the lattice body, I assume that you're experiencing that it might be slow, and that is down to your geometry. In regards to position, I'm just gonna kind of demonstrate what you can do. So, nevertheless, I thought that I would give you a demonstration, and I hope that that will clarify things for you. So here we got your model, and I built just a simple cube to be the volume that I will fill with the lattice based on your design there. So let's have a look at that and see what we can do. So we move to design for additive manufacturing, and we're going to use, as I said, the body lattice. We're going to use the unit fill, as we're going to fill the body. And it asks for the boundary body. It's going to be the body we're going to fill with the lattice. And then we're going to define the cell or solid body here that is defining the cell structure. I'm going to do it as a uniform cube. I think this is 40 by 40 by 40. I'm going to have it 25 by 25 by 25 because guess what? My fill volume here is 100 by 100 by 100. Just to simplify things. Now note that this is actually your geometry here. So I'm going to select that body, and it's going to give me a center point in the middle there. And well, it all depends on from where you want to start your fill. So if I'm going to specify my orientation, I could do that from the corner down here, but then you see that it's going to cut it in half. Maybe I want it inside. I already prepared a datum thesis there just to position it. So if this is 25 by 25 by 25, it's 12 and a half in each X, Y, and Z direction. So it's going to put it straight or directly into the fill volume there. So that means we have set up the prerequisites here. Now remember that this is your geometry here. I'm going to talk about how to speed things up in just a second. But let's just have a look. I actually press apply just to see how long this takes. So it's going to fill up. It's 25. It's going to be 5 in each direction. And we can see that it takes a bit of time. And there it is now filled. Okay, sorry, 25. It's going to be 4 in each direction. So we can notice that this is just a simple cube, 100, 100, 100. And it took a little bit of time there. So what can we do to speed things up? Well, this body lattice here, it's actually a convergent body, meaning that it's a lot of small facets forming each body there. Excuse me. And that all boils down to the original, of course. So if I have a look at the original, and if I turn on the facet bodies, we can see that, yep, there is a bunch of facets there. And we can see that those facets are reflected in the final as well. That means that there's going to be lots of facets, and the more facets you add to the base body, the kind of slower it's gonna get. So a good kind of rule of thumb here is keep your input geometry as simple as possible. So what can we do about this? Well, we hide the lattice body there, and we hide the original body, and we bring out a simplified version of your body there. So you can see that this is a very rough but very simplified body, but I do believe that it will represent the case very well. So let's do the same thing. We go to additive manufacturing, body lattice, We select the body to fill. We select we select the we only want one body unit cell there. It's going to position it roughly in the middle. We want it still 25 by 25, but we want the center same as the other. So if we now compare and I click apply, we'll see that this is quite ripping fast, and that is because I have less facets to handle and take care of. So I would recommend to simplify your geometry and the functionality of the body lattice. I think you got the point. And that's all I want to say. And to round things off, stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, over and out from Fred.